welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking an exciting look at what could become one of the most luxurious and innovative motorhomes ever imagined, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome Luxury. Cadillac has built its reputation on premium craftsmanship, advanced technology, and timeless American luxury, and if the brand were to enter the luxury motorhome market, it would completely redefine what traveling in style means. From its bold design to its high-end living space and impressive performance, this concept represents the perfect blend of comfort, innovation, and prestige. If you love luxury vehicles, cutting-edge RVs, and dream road trip machines, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's explore this incredible masterpiece. At first glance, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome immediately grabs attention with its sleek, futuristic styling. Instead of looking like a traditional RV, it carries the unmistakable Cadillac DNA with a massive illuminated front grille, signature vertical LED lighting, sculpted body panels, and a commanding road presence. Every angle reflects elegance, while aerodynamic lines help improve efficiency without sacrificing luxury. Large panoramic windows stretch along the sides, giving passengers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Premium alloy wheels, chrome accents, and a sophisticated two-tone paint finish make this motorhome feel more like a rolling luxury penthouse than a recreational vehicle. Step inside, and the experience becomes even more impressive. The cabin feels like walking into a five-star hotel suite on wheels. Rich leather upholstery, genuine wood trim, polished aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting create an atmosphere of pure refinement. Every seat is designed for maximum comfort with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, ensuring that every journey feels first class. The spacious living area features a premium entertainment system with an ultra-large OLED display, immersive surround sound, and voice-controlled smart technology that manages lighting, climate, and entertainment with ease. A fully equipped gourmet kitchen includes premium appliances, elegant countertops, and plenty of storage, making it perfect for preparing meals while traveling. The sleeping quarters continue the luxury theme with a king-size bed, soft premium linens, spacious wardrobes, and panoramic skylights that allow you to enjoy the stars from the comfort of your bedroom. The bathroom offers a spa-inspired experience with a rainfall shower, luxury fixtures, heated flooring, and high-quality finishes that rival upscale hotels. Technology plays a huge role throughout the motorhome. Multiple touchscreens control nearly every function, while wireless smartphone integration, high-speed internet connectivity, advanced navigation, and AI-powered travel assistance keep every trip connected and stress-free. Security is equally advanced, featuring 360-degree cameras, intelligent parking assistance, adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping technology, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking for greater confidence on every journey. Powering this luxury motorhome could be Cadillac's next generation hybrid or fully electric drivetrain, delivering smooth acceleration with whisper, quiet performance. Instant torque would make highway merging effortless, while advanced air suspension provides an exceptionally comfortable ride, even on rough roads. Multiple driving modes allow the vehicle to adapt to highways, mountain roads, or city streets, ensuring a refined experience wherever the adventure leads. Long-distance travel is further enhanced by efficient energy management, advanced battery technology, and onboard power systems capable of supporting all luxury amenities without compromise. Whether parked at a scenic campsite or traveling across the country, this motorhome is designed to deliver comfort without limits. Although Cadillac has not officially announced pricing for a production version, a luxury motorhome with this level of craftsmanship, technology, and premium equipment could easily carry an estimated starting price between $450,000 and $700,000, depending on available options and customization packages. Buyers would likely have access to personalized interiors, exclusive exterior finishes, and bespoke luxury upgrades to create a truly unique vehicle. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome Luxury represents a bold vision of what premium travel could become. It combines iconic American luxury, cutting-edge innovation, and exceptional comfort into one unforgettable package. Whether you're dreaming of cross-country adventures or simply appreciating the future of luxury mobility, this remarkable concept proves that the journey can be every bit as extraordinary as the destination. Let us know in the comments if you would love to own a Cadillac motorhome like this. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting luxury vehicle reviews coming your way.